Hi guys! In this video, we're going to see how to upload a video on Vimeo. First, we'll click on the Create button and select Upload from the drop-down menu. The upload page opens and automatically brings up your file explorer. You'll see your video file ready to be selected. Drag your video file directly onto the Drop Files to Upload area on the Vimeo page. Great! Your video will start uploading immediately, and Vimeo automatically takes you to the video's settings page. Let's scroll down to explore the configuration options available. Scroll down to the thumbnail section and click the plus icon to add a custom thumbnail for your video. Select Upload Image from the options. Browse for your thumbnail file on your computer and click Open to upload it. Your custom thumbnail now appears, and you'll see a Changes Saved notification confirming it's been applied. Next up, we'll look at managing viewer permissions and sharing settings. Scroll down to find the Viewer Permissions section and toggle on the Comments option to allow viewers to leave feedback on your video. Next, click on the Privacy dropdown to explore the different visibility settings available for your video. Once you've reviewed the privacy options, close the dropdown and click the Copy Link button to get a shareable URL for your video. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard, and you're all set to share your video with others.